Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and it is Triple Play Saturday round 2. Listen, it keeps getting better and better. Now it's almost noontime. I don't know what you got planned. What are you doing for the day? Are you having a super casual Saturday? Are you taking your girl out to go see the Avenger? Or do you have some type of dress up luncheon to go to? Whatever it is, this watch face may be the one that you're looking for. So stay tuned. We're gonna check it out. Guys, welcome back for another video, and welcome to Triple Play Saturday round 2. Listen people, I'm hoping the day is getting better and better as time goes on. I hope you're enjoying family and friends or fun. I don't know if you had a cookout. Whatever it is, enjoy yourself, right? Now, I said I didn't know what you guys had planned. Are you having a super casual Saturday, or do you have to dress up for some event? Whatever the case, again, let's take a look at this watch face, right? First of all, the name of the watch face is called GRF2C. That is the name of the watch face, right? And in the always on mode, you're pretty much gonna get the same look. It's an analog look, which is cool, right? Dressy watch face. But if you look at this watch face, I mean, it has an awesome look. I like the nice background that it has going on. And you got a second hand that adds a little bit of class to this watch face as well. Now, if you look down at the bottom, you're gonna get your date. Over here, that's gonna give you a notification. It's gonna light up, right? I thought that was pretty cool. Although I kind of got rid of mine, right? But still, it's a good look. And you get your battery percentage for this as well. So if you're going out and you have to dress up or you have to be super casual, then this watch face is for you, right? But that's not it. What about those of you all who are still going out? You're talking about you still have to work out, you got up late, and you're looking for a different look. Let's tap. Double tap, and now you have a digital watch face that gives you information on your steps, miles walked or ran. You get your battery percentage. You also get animated seconds, and you get the month and the date down at the bottom. No, you can't customize the color. That would have been nice, but here you have an option for dressy and or casual. And this watch face also is analog, so you get the best of both worlds. What do you think, people? Hit me in the comment section below. I want to hear your thoughts on this watch face. And this one here is also affordable in the Gear Manager store. Okay, you all continue to enjoy the day. And with that, hit the like button on the way out. Don't forget. And if you want to see more videos like this and you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. All right, you all, as always, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.